is the
Hey
diet.
guys! Okay.
Don't do that. That's a little bit too much.
What? You gotta be lit when you get on here. So today I decided to do a vlog, okay? Well, me and my mom decided to do a vlog, and right now we are going to downtown Atlanta for something. So I'm gonna just vlog everything, okay? So just
Well, right now we're gonna blog about this goddamn traffic. I need to know any suggestions on where to get a sign made that says, please, when you see my blinker on, let me over.
these
Because these people down here,
these folks
they
in
drive
Georgia,
all up on the side of the thing and will literally scratch the side of your car to get over. So I'm here in Atlanta to tell y'all, please, when you're passing me or you're trying to cut in front of me, don't take my bumper off doing it, because when I stop, it's gonna be some real bad repercussions. Real bad. That's all I can tell you.
It's currently 3:14 p.m. and I don't know, God knows what time we're going to be there, because we're only 30 minutes away and there's a lot of traffic.
No, this is not what you call traffic. This is what you call inconsiderate, non-driving assholes. That's what this is.
Yeah, what she said, okay? So, I guess when we're like there, when we're parking, I will start vlogging again, but right now we're just trying to get out
This
the
is
traffic.
awful. I have never seen so many disrespectful people in my life. And then this is supposed to be a hands-free state. I got the guy pulling up on my on my left over here yesterday, picking his nose and talking on the phone. What you gonna do? Wipe your boogers on your phone while you're talking? That's uncool. But I just hope and pray that I make it to this destination. I hope and pray that I don't get run off the road. I also hope and pray that a bitch don't hit me while they texting and driving. Because I'm going to tell you right now, you ain't got the brake. Because I'm going to beat the brakes off. I'm being dead ass serious. I'm not a happy camper right now.
Yeah, what she said.
I am not a happy camper right now.
Okay. So yeah, like I was saying, she's a little upset right now, but I'm just finna vlog again when I get to the destination and show y'all what's going on, you know? So
No turn signals, no
y'all.
blinkers. They just hit the front of your bumper, slam on brakes, and keep going.
What she said, okay? So y'all just
So I guess I'm gonna have to teach them how to drive Florida style. That's not gonna be good for a lot of y'all. It definitely is not. It definitely is not.
Okay, y'all, she's a little mad right now, but I'm just gonna end this vlog. Well, not end it, but you know, I'm just gonna pause the vlog. But for y'all, it's just gonna, you know, just do like that. It's gonna be fast for y'all. But for us, we're like, yeah, we're still 30 minutes away, so I'm gonna vlog in when we get to the destination. Yeah. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Hey y'all, so we're there, but we're not there at the same time because we kind of got lost, and my mom's a little bit angry. I don't know, but I don't know how long we're gonna wait here because we're waiting on somebody so we can just follow them, because the roads we took, they were actually closed for the parade, so we didn't know where to go. So we're just sitting here now waiting on them to pull up here. We can just follow them, but I don't know. Yeah, so as soon as we get there, I'll get back with you guys to let y'all know what's the deal. Y'all, we decided to get some donuts from Walmart, and we're still here waiting. We're here for like almost an hour.
You have been here an hour.
Probably. We have been here an hour. I'm just tired. Yeah. So hopefully I will see you guys when I get to my destination again. Okay, guys, we are still sitting in the parking lot. Yeah, we've been here ever since 3 o'clock and now it's 5. I think it's, what time is it? Oh, it's 6:01. We've been sitting here ever since 3 and it's 6:01. 6:01. 6:01. And it's dark out. You can see it's dark out. That's how long we've been sitting here, waiting for the person to come so they can guide us to where we have to go. But they're still not here. So, I don't know. Kind of upset. So, and it's very cold out here too. And we had to walk to Walmart to get some donuts. I should have vlogged that, but I forgot. So I know I keep saying this, but see you guys when we get there, I guess. I don't know if we do get there. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So we finally at our destination. She's still at it. I said she's still aggravated, but we're here. And as soon as we get there again, I'll start vlogging. But now we're in the Target parking lot or whatever. And it was hard to find some parking too. So yeah. Yeah, so I'll see y'all when we get there. We're on our way to Christmas lighting thing again. I don't know what's going on. It's a lot of traffic. Well, you can't see it, but it's like further ahead. There's a lot of traffic.
Okay, where's the parade at? Right here. Huh? Just, you better not be.
You're already on video.
Paying attention. So why do you?
Or live stream.
No.
Okay, the next time a bitch step on me, I'm gonna knock the shit out of her. No, I wanna go with a Christmas tree now. So right now we're just sitting here waiting on the parade to start, I guess. I don't know when it's gonna start. I think at 7. What time is it?
7 o'clock.
Oh, it's 7 o'clock now. So the parade should be starting. The Christmas parade should be starting in a little bit. So yeah. So just stay tuned and just keep watching. Yeah.
Got it. Hold on, cut. Video. Got him.
Hi, Santa!
Hi, Santa.
Hi, Santa! Oh, there goes Cinderella!
Oh. Look at Cinderella. Tiana. Belle. walk in with the. Follow them. Just walk.
So, as y'all can see, that was the parade or whatever. But there's like a lot of people following them, I guess, to the Christmas tree lighting. So we're gonna walk the opposite way, I guess. And where's my mom? So we're gonna walk the opposite way from where they're going, because where they're going all the way around to walk to the tree. And it's like, and if you don't know what that is, it's like a huge Christmas tree lighting. It's gonna be a huge Christmas tree, and it's gonna light up or whatever. So, you know, yeah. Mom, how's your night going?
Fucked up.
Lord, but yeah. So I'll catch y'all when we to the shoot. Well, I almost ran into the thing.
All the cans yet.
Huh? Yeah, so we are currently Yeah, so we are currently finna wait till the countdown.
Are you doing vlogging?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Vlogging? Okay, let's go.
So we are here. We're waiting for the Christmas tree to light up, but
Okay,
what you
I'm
doing?
gonna light y'all Christmas tree up right now, okay?
That was very I don't know. But yeah. I don't have no words.
You ain't got to have no. I got them all for you. I got all the words you need. Fuck this shit right here. What the fucking word?
Ma, give me my. Alright, where's the lighting at? Oh, right here. But
Still in the background doing it. Hey.
where's she at? But yeah, so I'm gonna vlog again when the Christmas tree finna get lit up, cause I don't know what they doing.
Christmas tree.
It's taking a long time for it to happen. So
I feel like like this.
I don't know. But yeah, so. Yeah, it's loud. It's very loud. We finna get in the car because there's a lot of people out here.
Turn it off. Let the phone go dead.
I'm vlogging some more while we go back. So we finna start heading out now because there's a lot of people that's here, and if you stay here and watch the fireworks, then you know we gonna get kind of some traffic. But I'll see y'all when we get to our next destination. Okay, guys, so I'm at a gas station right now, and this is where I'm about to end my vlog because I'm tired, and I know when I get home I'm gonna go to sleep because I had a long day today, even before the parade. And I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And my camera is greasy right now because I'm eating some pizza. Okay, but that's not the point though. But if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and go crazy in the comments, spam what more you want to see. You know, and as I always say, my videos are bomb.